guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite hairstyles. I've been doing it a lot lately, and that is bubble braids, as you guys can tell by the title. But first, I'm actually going to be blowing out my hair to make it a little bit easier, and I just personally like the way that it looks better when my hair is like blown out or stretched out. And I'm thinking that I might add some extensions to make them super long. I usually do, I think, 4 sections of ponytails, and that's what I'm going to plan to do today. And then for the actual ponytails, I'm going to be using this olive oil edge control. It's from the brand Palmer's. I like this one a lot because it holds really good, but it doesn't make your hair hard or cause white flakes, at least for me. And I know the lighting keeps changing, but I'm just sitting in front of the window and the sun keeps coming in and out of the clouds. So sorry, but I'm using natural light today. I've been using natural light mostly in all of my videos because honestly, my ring light needs to get fixed, or I just need another one because it keeps like flickering and stuff. So I just haven't been using it. But I'm just using that same comb to make sure that I brush the hair up super sleek. And then of course you're gonna need some rubber bands for the bubble braids. I'm just gonna use regular black ones that match my hair. Okay, so I have ponytail 1 and 2 done. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding more and connecting them to each other. So I'm just sectioning off another chunk of hair for a second ponytail. I'm gonna apply some more of this edge control. I'm gonna apply this to every section. I also am using my little eyebrow spoolie to smooth everything out. So right when everything is smooth and I'm about ready to put it in a ponytail, I'm going to make sure to grab the hair from the ponytail that I did before and include it into the second one. And then secure it with a rubber band. That's basically as easy as it is. There's the second bubble, and I'm going to continue that all the way down my head, and then of course repeat the same thing on this side. And I'm gonna attempt the extension hair one time and one time only. So if you guys are seeing this clip right now, that means it was a success, so stay tuned. So I picked up this pre-stretch expressions hair. I actually picked this up like a month ago because I wanted to use it for my vacation. I was gonna do box braids, ended up never doing that. But I figured I could use it on these little braids. I don't know if it actually has the name of the color. Yeah, it actually does on here. So it's 2T1B/30. So if you like this color, screenshot this right now. So it came with 3 bundles of hair, and I didn't realize it was already in this little rubber band thing, which is gonna make it so much easier to apply it to my hair. So this is perfect. I'm just going to attach this little rubber band here over my ponytail. I'm thinking maybe this is too much hair for one side. I might take some hair out and make this bundle of hair a little bit thinner because I really just want the length. I don't really care for the thickness of it. So I removed the rubber band from this pack of hair, and I think it'll be perfect if I just use one pack of hair for both ponytails. So I'll just split this in half and then add half of this to each side, and I feel like that'll be better. Okay, I have one bubble braid done. I already feel like I'm losing daylight and it's only 2 o'clock, but I'm gonna actually explain how I did everything I did on this side because it was a little hard to explain it as I was trying to figure it out for the first time. But I have one bubble braid done. I have my rollers in on the bottom because we're gonna curl the end, and I also did a little wrap around here. Moving on to this side, first I'm gonna actually be starting with the hair and how to secure it in a rubber band so that you can attach it to your hair if you don't already have a rubber band, or if you had to do what I did and split the hair. So you're gonna take one rubber band and wrap that around the fold of the hair. This hair is 52 inches, by the way. I'm going to wrap the rubber band around the center fold right here. I'm just gonna twist and wrap it around again. Okay, so I wrapped it around twice, and then I have this little loop right here. I'm gonna take a second rubber band and we're gonna attach the second rubber band to this rubber band, and the second rubber band is what's going to attach to your hair. You have to kind of loop it through. So here's the loop for the rubber band that's on the hair, and here's the second rubber band. I'm going to put the second rubber band underneath this rubber band that's on the hair and pull it up like this. There we go. So I put the second rubber band that's on my thumbs underneath, and then I'm going to loop it over my thumb and grab the opposite side of it, and there we go. Now we have a little knot right here. So yeah, I feel like that was a really bad demonstration, but hopefully you guys understood that. But either way, now I have a little loop right here, and this loop is gonna go on my ponytail. Okay, so now I have the fake hair attached to my real hair. I'm gonna take one tiny strip of this fake hair and do the little wraparound section, and this is gonna help like evenly spread the fake hair around my real hair so that it just blends nicely. Now that we have the little wraparound section on, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my bubbles. I think I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles on this side, so I'm gonna make sure I do the same amount. And I'm just taking the black rubber bands and wrapping them around my hair. And then also you can go in and kind of pull apart each section a little bit to give it more of that bubble effect. So now we have our second bubble braid in, and it looks really cute. I have this little pearl poking out from my natural hair, but this is what the ends look like. Looks super ugly and straggly and just like dead. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. So I actually got this pretty big pack of rollers off Amazon probably like 2 years ago now, but I'm gonna use the smallest ones that come in the pack, and they're these little orange ones. And I'm going to separate my hair. So I separated the other one into 3 sections so that the curls can be smaller. Okay, so I'm starting at the end of the hair, and I'm wrapping the hair around the roller or the flexi rod. I don't know, I keep calling them rollers, but I think they're called flexi rods. Either way, I'm going to roll the flexi rod into the hair now. So I'm rolling it up. And then once I get to the top here, I'm just going to bend the little rod into each other so that it secures and the hair doesn't unravel. Okay, so I have both of my bubble braids done, and I'm not going to bring the boiling hot water over here. So just imagine I walk to my kitchen, I dip the ends of my hair and the ends only, like just this piece, into the boiling hot water, and then I come back and you guys will see magic happen. Okay, I'm back, and my hair is wrapped in this towel because it's actually really hot, but I just stuck the hair into the boiling hot water. I don't know, I didn't keep it in for like that long, so I hope it actually curls, but I'm gonna just pat them dry so that I'm not burning myself, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Let's see, this is the moment of truth. Or you know what, let's keep them in just for a little bit. Let's keep them in for a little bit. I'm gonna do my baby hairs and stuff and just kind of like maybe let them sit a little bit longer. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm using that same edge control stuff for my baby hairs. Okay, so time to remove these little rollers, and we're gonna see what it looks like. But that is pretty much it for this video and this hairstyle. I think it came out super cute and I love how long it looks. I just wanted the braids to look extra long, and hopefully this was helpful, especially if you have short hair and you're trying to find a way to make your bubble braids look longer. And if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll answer everything and anything. That is it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.